Get your eggs. All right. Put it in your basket. Put it in your basket, baby. Pick it up. Good job. Let's go find some more. Addison, over here. Run. Run. Run, find some more.
Here.
Yay! Uh-oh, there it is. You put it in your basket? All right. Pick it up. Oh, good girl. Put it in your basket. Woo! Good job. Can you put it in the basket? Put it in the basket, baby.
I'm sorry.
Yay! Good girl. You better find some more. Addison, you better find some more eggs. They'll all be gone. Look right here. Addison, right here. Look. Hey, Addison, look right there. Get those eggs.
Here, Miley.
You put them in your basket? Good girl. Put it in your basket, baby. Yay! You want to go find some more? Where, you want to hold your basket? Go find some more eggs, baby.
Miley, let me see.
See if you can find some more.
Miley, come here, baby.
Can you find any more eggs, honey? Are they all gone?
I'm sorry.
You're fine. Oh.
Addison, are the eggs all gone?